Unit 3, Exercise 17. Enter invoice item without reference to a purchase order. Task 1. Enter an invoice with additional item without reference to a purchase order. You receive the following invoice from the company. In addition to the item with reference to the purchase order, the invoice contains a line without reference. To enter this invoice, use Create Supplier Invoice here and here. So it's an invoice. And the purchase order. We will see this later here. Okay, so we have the slug for spiral casing and packing gasket. So this one is not available. Enter the header data and the item with reference to the purchase order. If necessary, change the system default value according to the supplier invoice. So we have this. Good. The cost for quality inspection should not be distributed automatically to the other invoice items. Therefore, post the cost directly in the GL account, loss consumption for quality control, and the costs are assigned to cost center. Good. In the GL account item, we are going to add the amount for the additional cost from quality inspection for several material. The general account is this one. The amount 110. In the detail, we are going to specify the tax 10% and the cost center here. Good. Back to the items. Check. Okay, successfully checked. The balance is okay. Let's see the simulation. Simulate the amount movement and filling the table. Okay, let's see here. With the simulation, we have the supplier account, the good receipt, item 10, item 30. Loss consumption, this is the cost of the quality control, 110, and the input taxes. So we can choose post and display the message. Good? Nope. Task 2. Process an invoice without reference to a purchase order. Occasionally, you will receive invoices that are not based on the purchase order. The following invoice contains invoice item for freight and the upgrade of brake systems, but also a credit item due to a late delivery of material. To enter the invoice, use the Miro. So here, Miro. Okay. the amount, the tax, reference 08. We do not have a purchase order. So enter the header data from the invoice. The baseline date for payment is today's date. Payment, baseline, today, and the payment within 40 days invoice 2% discount, and within 30 days net. So here 40 days 2% and 30 days net. Free for payment. Okay, in the detail we are going to enter the supplier, invoiced party, $108. Good. Post the freight cost directly in the GL account for unplanned delivery cost. Good. GL account. Enter the currency. Yes. Here. GL account. We have the amount 450. The costs are assigned to a cost center here, and the cost center is here. Good. Post cost for the material E and B in plain 1010 directly to the material. So here, the first one, plain 1010, valuation 600. No valuation, not here. Amount 600, quantity 50. This is for the upgrade of the braking system. And for the other material, plain 1010, 250 for 50 pieces, and this time this is a credit. Good. We are going to check the balance and simulate the account movement. Here we have what says the here, this supplier account, loss from production variances. This is the upgrade of the brakes. Flat gasket reduction due to late delivery 250. Unplanned cost, delivery cost 450, and the input taxes. Choose post. A message display the number. So back and save. Good. Invoice document was posted. That's it.